everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to make an origami paper rat. It is going to be a simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. We'll start by making the background. You can choose any background, but here we have used nature. Our background consists of one tree, another tree, grass, flowers, clouds, and sun. Some birds in the sky. Now we will move on to the coloring part. Here we have used oil pastels and color pencils, but you may use any medium you like for coloring. We have used oil pastels to color the big items like the trees, clouds, sun, and the color pencils to color the smaller items, flowers and grass. Now, let's move on to making the rat. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 4. Step number 5. Step number 6. Here we will paste 2 ears and a tail for additional touches. For making the rat, we have used origami sheet paper for making the ears and tail. Now we'll paste it on our piece of paper. A dot for the eyes. And tada! Your paper mouse is ready. Now we'll make a cheese for him. We'll use yellow color to color the cheese and orange to color the holes. And this is the final look. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.